can you get pregnant if one tube is blocked? So this is a $1,000,000 question, because many patients come to the OPD whose one tube is open and one tube is blocked. So this is a very tricky question, because the doctor has to judge that whom to leave for a natural conception and whom to take up for an IVF cycle. So first and foremost, we need to check that if the tube is open, what kind it is open. So the HSG report many times is dubious, because you might be having a spasm in the tubes or anything. In these cases, we advise the patient to go for laparoscopy, because if we are going for laparoscopy, then we can see the tubes directly and we can assess whether it is normal or not. Because many times one tube is open. It might happen that many times your one tube is blocked, one tube is open. So it might happen then when we do a laparoscopy, the other tubes also get open. So you have both tubes open. But in some cases, it might happen that your one tube is already blocked, and when we put a laparoscope inside, we see the other tube is also not good. Means it might be open, but it might be adhered somewhere. You might see that it has thickened, there is inflammation in it. So in these kind of cases, your tube is totally bad. In this case, then we say, look, both the tubes are bad. It is open, but it is not functional, it's not working. So in these kind of patients also, we tell them to undergo a IVF cycle. And in some cases, when one tube is blocked and one tube is perfectly normal, we put a laparoscope, we see that one tube is perfectly normal. In these kind of patients, we try to make them pregnant, but the ovulation has to be on the side in which the tube is open. So we need to monitor these cycles, because we can't leave the patient like that. We need to monitor these cycles. If the ovulation happens in that side, then the patient might get pregnant. If the patient doesn't want monitoring, then in that case, we can give them a time frame that, okay, you can go back for maybe 6 months, 7 months. Then if you don't conceive during this time, please do come back to us, because your one tube is already blocked and you have less chances of conception rather than a patient who has got both tubes open. So basically, this is a line of management in which a patient comes with one tube block. So there are chances of natural conception also, but that tube has to be investigated thoroughly before we leave you for a natural conception. We care about you.